It's just like a normal meeting. I'm running across the room. 3 reps. Okay, stay close, Kirby. Same way, open up, drop. Step, step. Get your feet good, squeeze your butt. Open up, drop. Down, down, down. Up. Okay, good, drop. Open up. Down, 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 down. Up. Good. Put your chest up. Start squeezing that bar. Down, down, down. Up. Hold it. Right. Yeah, thanks. Yeah, that's next time. Okay.